Stop sign, DRM, trash. Now, why are you doing that? There's no reason for you to cut off that Civic. And then moves back over anyway. Yeah. Yeah, you moved right into the lane that's ending, so I'm gonna move over because you're dumb. I see. You're doing, stupid. What are you doing? Go! Because Camry! And Toyota direct to the left lane. Get off my tail, lady, okay? Social distancing, you witch. You're supposed to change lanes in the tunnel. Personally, I don't like spending. Get off my tail! Jesus freaking Christ, douchebag. Like I was about to say with this idiot in the Camry, I don't like getting into the extreme left or right lane in this kind of weather because puddles and hydroplaning and yeah, you go to hell. Please slide into the barrier. Yeah, but that's why we don't stay in the left lane or the right lane. Exit dive. Because Camry. Because too close following Camry. And douchebag. Bulls, yuck. Did he stop? I don't think you stopped, mofo. You didn't stop. Poorly placed stop sign, but you still could have stopped. Did he stop back there? Didn't stop there. And go 3 for 3. 3 for 3. And the ambulance are in the... Yeah, you're in the red light. Yeah. Watch this. How'd I know? Did I know? Good God, that's hideous. Hey! Right lane must turn right. Same for you, Corolla. Jerk to the left lane, Toyota. No, not quite. Yes, he did. Okay. That's Toyota going direct to the left lane. Are you actually going to tailgate that truck now? Oh, she's going to change lane. Supposed to stay in lane, princess. Stay in your lane. Let's see. Is the minivan going to stop? No. I wonder if the camera picked that out. You're not going to stop either, right? Of course not. Toyota and a Toyota. Oh, I don't think he stopped. That's a rolling the stop. And it's a rolling the stop. And it's a rolling the stop. Yeah. This is stopping the stop. It's rolling the stop too. And fucking asshole. Fucking asshole. Thank you. And you're moving back. You friggin' asshole. Hey, you're not supposed to be in that lane, Mr. Big Rig. One little line. Get the fuck out of that lane again, Mr. Trucker. Hey, Relic Farms, stop at the stop sign. Jeep, stop at the stop line. Creeping out, it's not going to get you there any faster. Unless you're on the red. Yeah, red light runner. You're close enough, dear. Thank you. Whoa, Jesus, cat. Jesus Christ. San Leon. Go back to New Hampshire. Stay there. Douchebag. You can get off my tail. Four 668-834. Go back to New Hampshire. Fucking stay there. Trying to catch up with San Leon. I think that was an exit time, kids. God damn it. Another one. Let's see. 457-9032. Go back to New Hampshire, you scumbag. Yep. Yep. was a little close, wasn't it? No, he didn't stop. No, I don't. Yep. Okay, see, that'll pick. I believe he ran a stop. Maybe he did too. Did the bus stop? The van did not stop. And the BMW rolled that. And the van rolled that. And the pickup rolled that. And that BMW had to stop because there was a car coming. And the pickup rolls it. And I'm going. And Suburban rolls it. And that rolled it. And the thing behind me rolled it. And another roll rolls it. And that rolled it. And the thing behind me rolled it. And another roll. Oh my God, there's going to be a lot of editing to do on this thing. Yeah, roll it again. Keep going, douches. Everywhere, these assholes rolling the stop signs. Yellow. Red, yeah. Kia ran the red light. Oh, watch this fucking Camry jump it. Nope. Denied. Yeah, hi, cabby. There's, we're coming. Patriot Taxi, fucking douchebag. Best service, cleanest car as well. Best service? I don't think so. Jesus Christ, douchebag! Another fucking New Hampshire turd. And he ran the next stop sign. That's an illegal left turn, Subaru!